Good morning everyone, myself Sama Smita, and today we are going to do the ending of the adjectives, okay, and all the questions are of this chapter. So, suffix ending of the adjective. Suffix are group of letters added to the end of the word to change its meaning. जब हम suffix का यूज़ करते हैं, suffix मतलब जो एक word के बाद हम किसी का यूज़ करते हैं, पूरा मीनिंग वो चेंज करता है. हियर आर सम सफिक्स वी कैन इजीली मेक एडजेक्टिव विथ. एडजेक्टिव बना सकते हैं. सम ऑफ आर स्टैंडर्ड एंडिंग्स फ्रॉम द फॉर द एडजेक्टिव आर एंडिंग ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव. एग्जांपल एबल, इबल, वैल्यूएबल, कंफर्टेबल, इनविजिबल, ऑल, एजुकेशनल, सीजनल, ग्रेजुअल, एन, अमेरिकन, इंडियन, जर्मन. ओके. फुल, हार्मफुल, ब्यूटीफुल, यूजफुल, पावरफुल. हम फुल के बाद डबल एल नहीं लगाते हैं, सिंगल एल. लेस, केयरलेस, होमलेस, यूजलेस, टाइमलेस. और डेंजरियस, us, dangerous, enormous, courageous. Some, handsome, wholesome, awesome. Why? Thirsty, stormy, hungry, rainy. Lead, lightly, weakly, monthly, friendly. Okay, using of adjective in the correct order. कैसे correct order में use करते हैं? When we have several adjectives in a row, there's a specific order we need to follow. Look at the given table. Opinion, size, age, color, material, noun. पहले A, beautiful, big, circular, antique, brown, wooden table. Some, interesting, small, old, black, paper, albums. A wonderful, a large, new, red woolen carpet. Okay. Now read the sentence given in the break between the columns in the table given above. Many lovely tiny square yellow marbles. An attractive big colorful feather. Some bright tall new blue cotton lamps. Okay. पहले हम ओपिनियन लिखते हैं, फिर शेप, साइज, कलर, एज लिखते हैं, फिर कलर लिखते हैं, मटेरियल, फिर नाउन. ओके. जब बहुत सारे एग्जेक्टिव्स होते हैं तो पहले ओपिनियन का यूज़ करते हैं, फिर शेप, साइज, फिर ये कलर, फिर मटेरियल. ओके. और फिर नाउन को लिखते हैं. तो चलिए, मिक्स्ड बैग. रीड द गिवन स्टोरी एंड अलाइन द एडजेक्टिव्स इन इट. वन cheerful morning, a tiny elf was preparing the glowing potion. The elf has pointy ears and twinkling eyes and danced around in his floppy hat. Daniel looked very funny indeed. The elf added bubbly good, some small dried leaves and a pinch of powder to his potion. What a ghastly smell came from the huge boiling cauldron. As he was about to add the last ingredient, he suddenly gasped, "Oh no, I have forgotten the fantastic berries. How can I finish making my potion without them?" So saying, Stanley quickly put on his damn satchel and rushed off into the spooky woods. The woods were full of creepy sounds. Stanley felt nervous. Now, fantastic berries grew near the foggy dragon cave. The wicked dragons would surely bubble him up. Tanal knew that he was near to the mouth of the enormous cave. He was startled by an eerie light and sound. He hurried, looked around, found only twig and mossy leaves that whispered. The light glowed from the surf with fantastic berries. He quickly took as many berries as he could and ran for his life. Okay. Then number B. Underline the adjective in the sentence given below and identify the type. The centipede has many legs. Many क्या होता है? क्वांटिटी के लिए यूज होता है. Then there are 100 students in the stadium. Hundreds numbers of adjective. This toy is mine. This demonstrative. It is a bright and a hot morning. क्या होगा? Quality. Which book do you refer? Which क्या होगा? Interrogative. Dogs are faithful to their master. Faithful. Quality. Sorry, this is not faithful, this is there. Faithful also and there also. There is possessive. R.K. Rowling has written several books. Several is quantity. Then number 6, fill in the blanks with adjectives in sentence given below. There are very little oil in the bottle. These children are practicing for Republic Day. I wore a red dress yesterday. Look at this puppy. Which pen is yours? My friend entertained us with his funny act. Turn over the page. I bought a dozen of mangoes. I don't want to buy that toy. Ayushi stood first in the last test. The boy is dragging his bicycle. Okay, choose the right word. I need a few money. Can you give me some? He went out a few minutes ago. There are some books on the shelf. There is not any water in the jug. Jackie has many cars in his house. She does not have many clothes, but she dressed with a lot of elegance. The car park has a few space for our house. There are many children in the park. Okay, then E. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjective. Rama is the dash of the four brothers, eldest. ELDEST, eldest. Madurai is dash than any other city in Tamil Nadu, older. Shakespeare is the dash of English poet, greatest. Water is more refreshing than juice. These grapes are the most expensive of the three. The story was the most exciting one I have ever heard. The boy is the fastest runner of all. The shop is farther than the school. The girl is intelligent. The weather today is worse than the weather yesterday. Okay, so this is all about the chapter adjective. I hope सबको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. अगर समझ में आया तो एक थम्स अप का ज़रूर कमेंट करिए और अगर वीडियो पसंद है तो लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.